7th. The current time, 5:28 p.m. And the temperature, 1 below zero.
Holy fuck. You heard it right from the temperature guy, whatever. It's 1 below. So I gotta get these cars started. So, I'll start this thing first. Oh, the light just went on. I'll start this thing first. Very cold in here. Still started up. See, I haven't started this car in forever. Wonder how much snow is piled up on the driver's seat. Shit. Oh no. Alright, let's see. Fuck, that's cold. Huh, still started up. Door doesn't want to close. You can see the big old gap that's right here. Snow keeps getting in there. This I don't gotta worry about because she's just stored in the winter time. That thing, I think it'll start right up. Just give this a minute to run for a little bit. Alright, she's running enough. Let me pull the keys out. Oh, I got no gas. Oh, damn it, I gotta go get some gas for this thing before the tank freezes up. Okay. Oh. Actually, I have a spare key for that one. I won't start this one up. This one, I know this one will start. This son of a bitch starts up every freaking time. Unlock this thing. She'll start up on the dime. And I bet you she'll start up quick too. Amazing. Always depend on your... No wonder why I'm a Dodge man. It's got a bit of a tickage, but common on those Mitsubishis. Ooh. If only that was true. Now, got the spare key for this one. That way I can just leave that other van running. She'll start up. Ugh, I bet you anything. Wait till the buzzer goes out. Yeah. Oh, man. For reals? Oh, shit. Oh no. Oh no. I am surprised at you. I am very surprised at you. Okay, there we go. She was not happy at all. Not happy. Of course, my Acclaim was the same way, and this had this. My Acclaim had the same engine as this one. Holy shit! You're still running? Oh yeah.
Great and small.
Oh, close the fucking door. Hold on.
You're learning that it wasn't all.
-1 degree. Holy shit. This one's still running. This thing's a fucking champ. She is a champ. See if this piece of shit F-150 starts. 2005 F-150 with the shitty Triton engine. This thing's on its second engine now. Alright. Sorry for me shaking the fucking camera. It's too fucking cold out here for this shit. Even this piece of shit started. Look at all that smoke emerging from my driveway. I love this thing. She's still running. I want to start that up, but it's kind of not fair. I wouldn't consider that a cold start because it just sits in the garage. I'm going to go inside and warm up my hands before I do that fucking shit. Shut up! Damn dog! That's all you do is bark. All you do is bark, bark, bark. Ooh, you're nice and warm. Ooh. Ooh, you're warm. Alright. Found the key for this one. I think. I want to say it's the right key. Out of my way, Mr. Mini Bike. Yep, right key. This thing's a champ too. That's got the same engine as that one. Yep, this one, same engine, little 4-banger. This is still running. And she's still running too. Rusty, but trusty. Well, that's about it. All the cars run. The only thing left is my Journey. The Journey's not here. My wife took that to work, so can't do a cold start on that one. But yeah, This runs. The Neon runs. This one had a hard time. This is the only car that had a hard time stay running. But she's running now. Nope. All I gotta say is goodbye.